Sky Organics Organic Castor Oil is 100% pure cold pressed oil that's derived from castor beans, and it's also USDA organic, so it's safe for my hair and it's safe for my skin. And as a media host, I am in and out of hair and makeup every single day, and I get a lot of heat used on my hair, which causes breakage and it causes damage to my hair, especially around the crown of my head and even with my little baby hairs in the front. But castor oil is filled with nutrients like vitamin E, and it's also filled with fatty acids. And these nutrients help to nourish my hair, they help with breakage, and they also help make it feel fuller and thicker. So if you have dry scalp or if you have thinning hair, castor oil makes an amazing pre-shampoo treatment. And here's how you use it. I just take a quarter-size amount in the palm of my hand and warm it up. It's a little thick, so a little bit goes a long way. Once you warm it up, that's gonna make it easier to apply. I massage it into the roots of my hair and I pull it all the way down to the ends. Then I throw my hair up in a bun and I have 30 minutes to an hour to cook dinner, do chores, hang out with my kids. Sometimes I even leave it on overnight. But when I'm ready, when my time is up, I jump in the shower, wash it out like normal. I do this once or twice a week depending on how much help I need. And for me, the best result has been there's less breakage and I actually see some new growth in these little baby hairs around my face. And the best thing about castor oil is all that goodness that it does for my hair, it does the same thing for your lashes and your brows. So you can use it every night before bed, brush it through your lashes, brush it through your brows. You're going to see fuller, thicker lashes and brows. I've even filled in a little of those sparse areas myself. I really can't live without it. I absolutely love it.